we need to find an equation of tangent line. So equation of tangent line is just y equals mx plus b, or we can use y minus y1 equals slope m x minus x1. In either case we need slope of tangent line. That's the derivative, and derivative at this particular point 1 1. So we need to find the derivative dy over dx, or y prime, and evaluate that y prime at 1 1. That gives us slope m, and we need a point to find b, or x1 y1, and that's x1 y1. Done. So all we have to do is find y prime from here. So we cannot solve for y, so we will use implicit differentiation. We have the curve x square plus xy plus y square equals 3. To find y prime, dy over dx, we take derivatives of both sides. Okay, derivative of left side is equal to derivative of right side, and derivative of right side is 0. Derivative of left side means we have 3 terms. So derivative of first term, so derivative of x square is just 2x plus derivative of xy, this is x times y, and y is a function of x, so we need to use product rule here. So derivative of x times y, we need to use product rule. So using product rule, derivative of first factor times second plus derivative of second factor times first, and derivative of y prime, that's not 1. Derivative of y prime is dy over dx, that is what we are looking for now. Okay, and derivative of x is 1. So using product rule, the derivative of x times y is this, plus derivative of y square, that's 2y times y prime, because this derivative is with respect to x. That's why we need to write y prime. It's coming from chain rule. And to isolate y prime, these last two terms have y prime, so we will factor y prime out and move the other two terms to the right. So subtract 2x, subtract y, and if we factor y prime here, y prime x plus 2y is equal to, move this over, that means subtract 2x and subtract y. Okay, and finally y prime divide by this factor, so we get y prime is equal to negative 2x minus y, all divided by this factor x plus 2y. Okay, this is the derivative, which is slope of tangent line at any point xy, but we need the slope at this particular point 1 1. So slope, that is at 1 1, slope is found by plugging in x equals 1, y equals 1. So negative 2 times 1, negative 2, minus y is 1 over x is 1 plus 2 times 1, 2. That's negative 2 minus 1, negative 3 over 3, which is negative 1. So we found the slope. Now to find an equation of tangent line, we can use y equals mx plus b, or y minus y1 equals slope x minus x1, doesn't matter. If you want to use the first, the slope is found, x y is given point 1 1, determine b. I'm going to use the second formula. Now y minus y1 equals slope x minus x1, that is our y minus y1. x1 y1 is the given point, which is 1 1. So y minus 1 equals slope just found, negative 1 x minus 1. We can simplify, distribute negative 1 in the right side, and this move 1 over. So y minus 1 equals negative 1x, negative x, negative 1, negative 1, positive 1. And to move this 1 over, we add 1 to the both sides, and finally we get y equals negative x plus 1 plus 1, so plus 2. That's the equation, that's an equation of tangent line.